All right, so today we're gonna try out a new kit by Rain-X headlight restoration kit. My daughter's headlights are pretty bad, so we're gonna give this a shot. See how we do. All right, first step says to clean it. Just use some regular old Windex. Already cleaned the other side. And it says tape off all around the light so that you protect the body. All around the light to protect the body, the paint. Because again, we're going to use sanding disc on a drill. So this is the kit. Comes with the sanding disc, gloves, an adapter to hook into your drill, so the sanding disc attached to that, a final buffing pad, a polishing buffing solution, and then a final wipe. All right, here's a before. Everything's all taped up. As you can see, this one headlight's in pretty rough shape, so hopefully this stuff works. And then I'll show you the processes and after. All right, it gives you 4 discs, 3 different grits. First one that says to start with is the brown. So safety first. And that just attaches to the adapter and you just start sanding. Actually, I'm sorry. It says to mist it with some water first. Then start sanding. All right, after the brown disc, we go to gray disc. More misting, and repeat the process. And then next is the blue disc. And these are just different grades of sanding disc. Repeat the process. And then we're just going to repeat on the other side. All right, the next step, we're using the polishing pad on the drill. And it comes with a polish in a packet. It says put about a nickel size amount on the pad and start polishing. Oh, that's a big nickel. Oh well. It says to do one pass, wet it, wipe it off, and repeat it 6 times. So I'm going to repeat it 6 times and then I'll come back. All right, for the final step, tells you to put the gloves on and use the protectant sealant wipe. I definitely see improvement. I wouldn't say they're back to factory, but definitely 100% better than what they were. All right. So this is a cloth. It says to do it all in one motion. Keep it off. Both sides. Yeah, so I'm not sure how many times you're supposed to wipe it, but I'm just going to use it until this cloth kind of dries up. So there you have it. That was the final stage. So it says to let this dry for at least 1 hour before touching, and then at least 8 hours before exposing the headlights to elements, including car washes. So remove the tape after an hour. So I'll come back after an hour and we'll see what the results are. All right, here's the final results of the headlight restoration kit. Definitely 100% better. It's not back to factory. This one's still got a little bit of haze, but it was in rough shape, so I'm happy with it. Yeah, definitely would recommend it. Took about an hour to do, then an hour dry time, so 2-hour process. Rain-X head light restoration kit.